My legs are like really sore right now. Look at it, it's really red. Good morning everyone. Right now we're heading over to Hualien Station and we're going to be taking this train to another station where we'll be taking a bus to Taroko National Park. Today is the day that we'll visit one of the attractions there. It's called Tianxiang and we'll see a Buddha statue there and I can't wait to bring you guys along too. So let's go to the train station now. Apparently we're rushed for nothing because the first train that departs from the place that we're going to only leaves at about 9:30 and right now it's only 8. So we ended up buying like another train ticket to go there, which costs about Taiwanese dollar $37. So it's about like $1. And our train only leaves at around 8:20, right now it's only 8:13 and we're in a rush for no reason. So this is our train ticket. We'll be stopping over at Tianxiang. Look at the train. It's pretty new. All the seats are definitely better than yesterday's one. Hey guys, we're here at Tianxiang and right now we're getting out of the station. This view is magnificent. We're being surrounded by mountains and everything's just so peaceful and quiet. This is like my ideal place to be. Now, at some point in time, I found that the bus was being extremely close to the rock wall, literally just a few centimeters away, and I was just really nervous. I was anxious. I was basically just praying that nothing happened. The bus was also really close to the edge, till I can see the gorge and the rivers down below. And although the view was breathtaking, it was magnificent, but being on a dangerous road like this made my anxiety level skyrocket. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tianxiang. This is where we'll be greeted by a picturesque view of the mountains and fully immerse yourself in nature. This is the place where the iconic Pudu Suspension Bridge is located.
Hi guys, I'm here at Tianxiang and we're about to go out to the temple which is over right there. And this place is just amazing. The weather here is good as well. And we can hear the river current. It's just really chilling and relaxing to be here. I'm so tired. Came here for a workout.
Today, we're exploring the Xiangde Temple as well as to pay our respects in front of the statue of the Bodhisattva. Now my mom actually had a photo of the statue pasted in our living room there, and it actually feels so surreal to be there praying in front of the statue. Although it's being fenced up for painting works, but we are still so happy to be there. That afternoon, we roamed the streets of Hualien looking for delicious food and snacks to eat. Along the way, we would chance upon some interesting landmarks that I would want to record and share with you guys.
Hi, so we're here at Tianxiang. So apparently this place is for people to come and pray and to gather and do good deeds to help others. So opposite the Tang, we have the Hualien Fire Station. Wow. Oh, we have one fire engine being activated. All the best for your mission, guys. As I'm walking down, I realized that there's a lot of different artworks, but mainly I think flowers and all. Wow. I like how we're just roaming around the streets because we'll find interesting landmarks and we'll go to explore, such as this one at the back. And right now we're just heading to a food street, and hopefully it doesn't rain because the weather has been pretty bad. As you can see, it's pretty cloudy. And yesterday when we went to Dongdaemun Food Street, it rained and it was so inconvenient because it was at night, and in the end we took a taxi. Okay, so now apparently we're going to find this pretty popular pancake shop. It's called Deep Fried Yellow Scallion Pancake or something like that, and it's 30 minutes away from here, and we're literally walking there right now. And yeah, it's a good workout, and let's explore. we're here at the market and it's super crowded and it's super busy. The thing is that I'm pretty surprised that the markets are still open at around like close to 5, and there's a lot of people, there's a lot of motorbikes, and managed to buy some fruit and some drinks like this hot flake drink or something like that. Tastes pretty good. And now we're still on our way to the pancake shop, and hopefully we'll reach there by 6 because apparently it closes at 6. So literally above here are the railway tracks, and these railway tracks links to the nearby Hualien station. This is Hualien's post office. Wow, pretty insane. It says there 邮局, which is post office. Hi guys, it started to rain. Prison. I don't know, like we're still on our way to find the shop, and it's already started to drizzle, but cross fingers, hopefully we find it. All of a sudden we ended up being in a really deserted alleyway. I have no idea where we are. It's still drizzling, but apparently I heard that it's pretty close here. 炸弹葱油饼. We're finally here. This is the shop.
The scallion pancake was delicious. It was very crunchy and crispy, and in between there's an egg as well, so once you bit down into it, the yolk will actually come out, and it's just so delicious. And I highly recommend you guys to visit this food truck whenever you come over to Hualien. After getting our scallion pancakes, we went to the shop opposite, which sells famous lemon juice, and we bought 2 of them, and it tastes really good as well.
一口咬下，幸福好滋味。
After our light snack, we went to get dinner. So for dinner we're having dumpling soup. And for these dumplings we get to choose whether we want prawn, meat, or we can have both of them mixed together as well.
Welcome to nightlife here in Hualien. Right now it's only 5:30 and the sky is already very dark, which is really different from Singapore, because in Singapore, like, our sun only sets around like 7 and it only gets dark when it's close to around 7:30. But over here it's a little bit different, weather-wise pretty cooling as well. Cold wind, I think it's about 23 degrees.
Day 2 involved a lot of walking there, and I remember checking my health app on my phone, and the total number of steps I took for the day were 18,000 steps. And I remember as we were walking back to our hotel at night, we passed by a couple of spas, and I was just thinking it's probably the best time to get a foot massage. And it was just so tiring, my feet were just so sore. Now if only I can walk like the traffic light green man all day, it would be the best thing ever.
My legs are like really sore right now. Look at it, it's really red. And wow, today we really walked a lot. Like, I think we've been walking for like, I think almost 2 hours. Look at my feet right now, it's just so red and swollen.
As day 2 came to a close, being enveloped by the embrace of nature, a profound serenity washed over me, providing a respite from the constant hustle and bustle of city life. Although today we only visited Tianxiang and Taroko National Park, every step taken there felt like a step away from the chaos and stress that had been bottling up inside of me for years. I'm so grateful for this trip and I'll never forget my amazing experience. Thank you guys so much for watching episode 2. Goodbye for now. Coming up.
Hi guys, we're 350 meters above sea level and this is only one of the many suspension bridges here at Taroko National Park.
The limestones here at Taroko National Park intimidated me a little. Their sheer height made me wonder how exactly these structures were being formed.